The following segment is sponsored by the Utah Restaurant Association. Are you craving bold, authentic Mexican food with a gourmet twist? Well, Katie's Sign is taking us to Sol Agave to see what makes their dishes and their dining atmosphere so unforgettable. Take a look.
Taste Utah Road Tour. We are on Fresh Living, coming to you from Salt Lake County. We're in the heart of Salt Lake City. We're at Sol Agave, where they're bringing their unique, fresh, flavorful taste of Mexico to our palates. We're gonna go inside, talk to the chef, see what he's cooking up. Executive Chef Lucino, it is such an honor to be in your kitchen at Sol Agave.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you for having us. Salt Lake City location, you're open for lunch and dinner. We know you for delicious taste of Mexico, but you're gonna focus on some brunch items today.
Yes.
Okay, awesome. What are you gonna make?
Want to make the chilaquiles today?
Let's do it.
Okay.
All right.
All right. All right. We start with the salsa first.
Okay.
We use the red sauce today.
I love chilaquiles. It's one of my favorite things to eat. It's also one of my favorite things to say. I mean, they're almost like breakfast nachos.
Yeah. Okay. We do
And
make
then
2
with-
eggs.
Yeah, beautiful. 2 eggs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the typical breakfast in Mexico.
Beautiful. You
So
can
we
start
use
out with some red salsa, little chips,
a little bit chips,
Okay.
tortillas.
tortillas. Just flipping them around, you're coating them in that beautiful salsa.
Mm-hmm.
And then
We got the cheese.
a little melted cheese, which no one is mad about. Chef,
Yeah.
what other items do you have on the brunch menu?
We have a French toast too,
Ooh.
and huevo rancheros.
Huevos rancheros, French toast.
Breakfast burrito, obviously.
I love a
and,
good breakfast burrito.
What else? Avocado toast.
Ooh, yum.
Yeah.
Okay,
And
so
then we add the refried black beans.
gorgeous. I mean, one of my favorite things about Sol Agave is you are truly making everything in the back of the house from scratch. Gorgeous. The
Yeah.
chips are going down. I mean, that cheese is melted to perfection. But the nice thing I can already tell is that you haven't let the chips be in there for too long. They're not going to be soggy. They're still going to have that nice crunch.
Exactly. Mm-hmm.
Oh, beautiful. And then just a little bit of skill here with the chef. He's checking in on these eggs, but something tells me you're not just going to use a spatula. You're actually going to do the chef. Oh, the chef flip.
Yeah.
There it is. And what do you like to cook these to? Like an over medium, so they're still runny, but
over medium, over easy.
over easy, depending on what the people
Depend
want.
on what people want.
I love it. Beautiful. Oh, so delicate. You don't want to break the
Yeah,
yolk because
exactly.
that's like what I want to do at the table, right? Like
Exactly.
that yummy yolk, just adding in a whole other layer of sauce and texture. Oh, it looks so beautiful.
Yeah.
Something tells me we're not done. Oh, fresh guac.
Where's guacamole?
Yum. It wouldn't be breakfast nachos without a little sour cream.
Sour cream. Pico de gallo.
Pico de gallo.
Mexican cheese. O queso
Little
fresco.
Queso fresco, yes. And then this is the Sol Agave mark.
Yeah.
This beautiful micrograte.
Yes.
Yeah, love it.
Ooh. And then we had the guajillo oil.
Guajillo oil. And boom, just top of that beautiful micro cilantro. This is absolutely food worth traveling for. Sol Agave brunch every single day.
Yes.
Yeah, get on in here. Yum.